Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce senior life insurance rates with Aetna, beginner guide step by step clearly. Research Aetna's senior life insurance options. Visit the Aetna website to explore different plans available for seniors. Compare coverage types to find one that suits your needs. Review premium costs for each plan option. Gather personal information such as age, health history, and lifestyle habits. Contact Aetna directly to discuss your specific needs and ask about discounts. Consider bundling insurance plans if you have other policies with Aetna. Maintain a healthy lifestyle to potentially lower your premium. Look for available health programs through Aetna that may offer further discounts. Apply for a health assessment if required by the policy you choose. Complete the application process with accurate information to avoid future issues. Review your policy carefully once you receive it. Check for any additional discounts based on your circumstances. Schedule regular reviews of your insurance coverage and rates. Stay informed about any changes to Aetna's policies or offerings. Make necessary adjustments based on your life changes and health developments. Always keep communication open with your Aetna representative for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.